Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not foreign from King Mix-Up, it's not credible, and I have an exclusive update on Spice's family court business with Nicholas. She just filed a motion for judgment on these pleadings that she's asking the judge to grant her, and there are 18 pleadings. So if you know people business are not for you, this review is not for you. You see me answer? But if you want to listen to what I have to say about these 18 pleadings, because I'm going to show it to you, we have to talk about the Rasta a little bit more, people. You see, they've been doing some subliminal shot throwing from Wadeya. Yes, both Spice and the Rasta are working as a team to win custody of Nicholas' children with Spice. Yes, full custody. And I say that because people, the Rasta knows the system because I'm a Yankee boy, you know what I mean? And I done told you, say, he was accused of being a deadbeat father as well with his baby mother. You feel what I'm saying? I showed you that he filed full custody for his daughter as well. Do you feel me? So he's probably showing Spice the ropes how to do this because y'all know people, oh, it come to this. You know what I mean? Spice always tags Nicholas when it comes to a back to school thing, you know? Nicholas, you know, your daughter and your son want books and all these things. You feel what I'm saying? So it's just crazy that, you know, she act like she don't know where homeboy is. And remember, people, yesterday or 2 days ago or 3 days ago, the Ras made a post saying, I'm not the stepfather, I'm the father that stepped up. And I said, you know, maybe the DNA came back and said that Toya wasn't Nicholas' child, you know, because you already know Nicholas has doubts. You see what I'm saying? That's no big secret. So when I tagged the page, it brought me to a page that looked like Spice's daughter's page, but upon investigation, and I do mean further investigation because a lot of people was in my comment section saying, King Mixer, get your facts straight. That's not Nicola's page. That's the daughter's page. Blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, okay, so what does it really matter if it's the daughter's the son page? It's still Spice's children. You know, it's still Nicholas lost children. You know what I mean? And when I looked at the page, it says at Spice official son and daughter. So this is both of their pages, obviously ran by Spice. So obviously Spice tell the Ras for put that up in him story, you know, to sort of put this in a Nicholas face like, yeah, we're gonna get full custody of the children. And before I get into what these documents, because this is about 3 documents with like 18 pleadings that Spice is asking the judge, like, people, the other day on a Spice was on the Wendy show saying, oh, she's not in a relationship with nobody. And the whole of Una say, yo, the woman don't have to tell her personal business. Keyword personal business. So why is the Ross putting personal business out there? Like, he don't have Nicholas or Toya's phone number? I'm pretty sure he sees Nicholas and Toya whenever he checks Spice in Atlanta at her house to eat all of these Jamaican meals. You feel what I'm saying? Why publicize their poopa business? And you know, said the son sensitive with him father, you know. You know, said Nicholas love him blood clot father. You see me? I said, why are you gonna put that out there? And you know how social media is when it comes to Nicholas Law and Spice. You know what I mean? You know how it is. So that's why I found it very disrespectful for the Rasta to do that. But you don't know the thing said. Maybe the Rasta is under manners. You see me? I said. And he was told to do that. But nevertheless, people, let's get into the documents. Oh, and for all of you thieving so-called Jamaican vloggers, don't expect to see any of these documents, you know, because I don't know if I'm telling the truth or not. I don't love remix people things. I don't know, gonna catch a lawsuit one day for putting out the wrong information. You feel what I'm saying, people? Yes. So like I said, people, Spice files motion for judgment for the pleadings, and it comes petitioner Gracie Hamilton and moves the court to grant judgment on the pleadings as to issue of custody and shows the court as follows. Petitioner filed the petition to establish custody April 19th, 2021, people. We're in July, you know, you see me, I say. pursuant to affidavit non-service, which was filed with the court on May 6, 2021. A very comprehensive search for the respondent was conducted, and services attempted were made at two separate addresses for the respondent in Florida, but the respondent has not been found. Yeah, I think at Georgia, Nicholas lived too. But nevertheless, people, the third pleading says on May 14, 2021, the court entered an order for the service by publication, and the notice has run May 21st, May 28th, June 4th, and 11th, the required time. No answer of the counterclaim has been filed in this case. Petitioner has alleged in her petition that the parties are not married to each other and have never been married to each other. 6. Petition also alleged in her complaint that as the result of the parties' relationship, the parties have two children born. Nicholas Hamilton, the male child, born 2007. And people, please don't beat me. And the daughter's name is Nicolatoy Lal, a female child born in 2011. 7. The petitioner shows the respondent has never sought to establish any parenting time with the minor children and has never contributed to the financial support of the minor children since birth. Cha-cha. I think that's why Spice always put out, she buys all of these things when it comes to back to school and, on social media. But anyway, let's proceed. Because, Jaja, people, I hope people don't see this and think that Spice is the devil, Trust me. But anyway. 8. Petitioner shows that it is in the best interest of the minor children that she is declared sole primarily physical custody of those children. You see what I say? And awarded legal custody in the minor children with the right to obtain passports for the children without the consent of the respondent. And I think that's what Spice's main issue was, that she couldn't get him for signing the thing for Nicola Toy. You feel me? 9. Petitioner shows that she is fit and proper parent and has a stable residence, is employed, and is capable of providing the environment and home that would be ideal for the minor children to accomplish their full potential, and is not seeking any support from the respondent, which is Nicholas, meaning she's not seeking no child support payments. 10. The petitioner shows that there is no action pending concerning custody of the minor children. You see me? I say in any other jurisdiction. That means Nicholas hasn't filed anything, in seeking custody for the children. And remember, people, Nicholas just found out through social media, through my channel, that Spice even started these proceedings. You feel me? But let's proceed. 11. There is no genuine issue as in any material fact remaining concerning the granting of custody to petitioner, and petitioner is entitled to custody as a matter of law. Wherefore petitioner prays that this motion is be granted, that the court grant the petitioner sole primary physical custody and sole legal custody of the minor children with the right to obtain passports for the children without the consent of the respondent. Okay, they keep on emphasizing the passport thing, people. You feel me? So I think they're using that to try to work upon the judge feelings. You see me? And that is the end of the motions filed by Spice's attorney. You feel what I'm saying, people? Cha-cha. Put in the comment section, how would you feel if your baby mother did these family court proceedings behind your back? Because people, let's act like Spice can't contact Nicholas and Nicholas can't contact Spice, But how would you feel if you found out through a vlogger, a mix-up channel, as y'all claim, that, you're gonna lose the rights for your child, basically? So I'm not sure if Nicholas has started any proceedings. It's just a messed up thing. But people put in that comment section, what do you feel about the Rust? Do you think that the Rust should put a ring on Spice's finger since he's talking all of this stepdad business? Yes. Put it in the comment section. Does it look like Spice is gonna be married? Yes, because this look like it's leading up to marriage, you know. Um, Wanna know if this relationship is fake, real or not, but it's definitely real when it comes to this family court issues, you see me? So I was just giving you this major development update in this case. Um, Hopefully Nicholas responds via a court or maybe via a social media, you see me? I said. But you don't know the thing, so if you want to keep up to date with this story, make sure to hit the like button 1,000 times, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and press personalize to press all, so you won't miss the latest in dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips when I upload them. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, so I don't know the deal already, people. And big up on yourself on the Sunday. Just giving on this morning tea, porridge with crackers, however not deal with it. You see it? Up.